To my channel. This is Inday the Vlogger, and karon naami vloggers meet and mukbang. First is in Lapu-Lapu, and then second venue is in IT Park, and then we still have third venue, and then we'll see if mo join bagyapon me for another set of vloggers meet. But karon murag kada kumon kaunanon guys. Padung na ko sa first venue. But yeah, stay tuned and still keep watching on this video. So guys, wala na ko ka vlog sa sticky fingers, but I'll include some snapshots sa sticky finger. And karon padung namin sa taxi, padung namin sa second venue, which is in IT Park. And here are the rest of the Cebu Vloggers. Say hi guys! Hi. Mga Cebu Vloggers.
Subscribe please.
Subscribe na mo sa amo ang channel.
Nasa caption.
So definitely I'll put their channel so that you can visit po ang ilahang channel. So yun, hug to hug ta guys. Muna siya.
Let's go, bro. Wait, balik. Okay, rolling. Let's begin. Let's go, bro.
O yun.
You can have this. I love mango.
We are already here on our second venue. It's Ali Mango. It's located in Cebu, Sugbo Mercado, IT Park. So I think open si Sugbo Mercado every Fridays, no? Saturdays and Sundays. That's what I know, guys. So try and test. So ano siya? So atong i-taste guys. Ayan! Review, hindi siya tamis, sakto ra. Isa aslom. And then, totally refreshing. Bugnaw dyan siya guys. So try it. It's really sweet mango guys. Try it, try it. Nah. We are the Cebu Vloggers and we are already here in Alimango, Cebu Mercado. Say hi guys! So we are now tasting the sweetest mango here in Cebu.
Ano ba nasa seed? Sponsored by?
Alimango.
1, 2, 3. Ako at. Ang ending lagogs. Hello everyone. Watch out for my YouTube channel. It's not yet finished. And it's not yet created. So hold into it. What's yung YouTube channel at? No.
Nakainom lang alimango, nakalimot na.
Petsang laagan.
Ah?
Pecha eh.
Pets. Petsang. Pero hindi mo PET or petsa. Anong petsa na? Nice yun sa dano. Buto na ito na yun. You can visit my 0 subscriber channel at Ice Cold Nesty in YouTube. Watch out for it.
Okay, content.
Ang content kay kuan explicit. Di mag-all. Kuyo-kuyawan na mo. Ang ining zero monetary. Kuha.
Sige.
Ang challenge.
Ulat sa.
Nakalayo sa duha.
Ako ko challenge.
Gusto tayo na gamit ng bakit ito siya. Nani na itungis na sa zing. Ano, one match. The more. Nabasa. Eta.
Sige, nag-crush na nilang duha.
Eta. Okay. Shoot ini na si. Sige na, saan man mo siya pagkaon nga. Walay gamit ang kuan. Ang kamot. Oh! Again, let's shoot to ba yun? Ano siya? Ay na yun!
Palayo na siya.
Naglisan ba siyang suyo? Ay, hindi, ano na, stage na di kuwang ano. Stage na lang ko na kuwang, babe! Ay, muod na, dapat. Ay, nakapakalayo. Basta ka na pag
Sa pagbubuan.
Are you having fun yet?